Up Shani, we're talking cars. This is the Opel Corsa, and this particular one is a special version which has not been released. But let's quickly get into it. As you can see, gloss black inserts, plastic surrounds, front lip, side bumper, side skirt, and so forth. I mean, it looks really good. It is feature packed. There's a lot of things going on: daytime running lights, LED headlights, and so forth. So one thing that I want to highlight about this particular car is the beautiful color. It looks amazing. Now, this being, it's called the Ultimate, not released yet for our market. It comes equipped with these beautiful black 18-inch rims. They just look amazing. It also looks a bit lowered to a certain degree. So there's a lot of two-tone going on. You know, the contrasting black roof, black mirrors, side caps, and so forth. Now, from the rear section of the car, you do get this dual exit tail pieces. They're also finished in this beautiful gloss black diffuser, which features a racing a tail light over there. Looks amazing. There is a camera for, the reversing camera as well. It's mounted over there. And I love the spacing in between the Corsa nameplate. I think it looks stunning. It looks amazing. Now, when you open the boot area, it is quite decent in here. Definitely not class leading, but it doesn't really fall behind by much. There is a loading lip, so you really need to carry in those bags. And then these seats open in a 60-40 split. I'm noticing a light on the other side. And then underneath, do we really get a fully sized spare wheel? Not necessarily, but this will do for now. I think it still looks the part. Now, when you then open that, there are tools for, your jacks and other housings and mounts and so forth. Now, one subtle thing that I think it really is quite a small detail but looks really nice is this gloss black spoiler. I love it. I think it looks amazing. Now, I love the design of the tail lights. I love the light bar that runs in between the tail lights. Like I'm impressed with the looks of the car, needless to say. I also love how strong yet subtle the side skirt is, finished in gloss black as well. It just looks amazing. It oozes sportiness. Now let's quickly jump into the interior of the car. You get top at the top part of it. You do get leather, and then there's this suede material which is really nice to touch. And then you get a nicely padded armrest on that side. You do get electric window and mirror controls throughout. There is a decent enough space in there for a bottle or two, a file. There is a speaker cutout on that side. Now you also get this ultimate name sticker over there, and then you get these beautifully styled heated seats. They do offer you that function, and wow, man, these are beautiful. They have a bucket style ish effect to them, and on the middle part you get this beautiful suede material and the stitching. I'm a fan. I think this is well made. It looks and it feels like it will hug you tightly in all areas. So you also get a center armrest which is movable, back and forth. And then when you open it, there is a small-ish space in there, so you won't really store much in there, but it will do for now. It is better than nothing. What I don't necessarily like is the inclusion of these non-adaptive cup holders. I think, yeah, make them a bit adaptive. I mean, that's what's the whole point of this. Anyway, I do like the chrome surround that is used on there. There is space for your cell phone. You get an electronic parking brake and something that looks like a coin holder. I'm not too sure. Now, as I quickly step into the interior, nice and cozy in here. It feels really good. The dash layout, I'm a fan of. I am impressed with just how the quality, the leather feels. I don't like the piano black though. It looks really good. Don't get me wrong, but it is prone to scratches, and it will probably irritate you with time. You do get this. It's nice that you have actual buttons for your climate control. Great clicky sounds and feedback. You do get a USB port over there and a 12-volt power supply and space for your phone. I don't know if this is an inductive charging pad, but yeah. You also get these buttons which have been blacked out. Clearly, they are meant to house one or two features. Now, moving over to the glove box, it is oddly shaped. It is quite deep, but it's almost as if you have only half of a normal sized glove box. So I find it a bit odd. I don't know if that's due to a fuse box or something in there. Very odd. But yeah, once again, the fit, the finish, the quality, the texture, really good. A solid 8 out of 10 for me. I'm impressed by that. Now, you do get reading lights which offer you this 3D, not 3D, what am I? LED, yeah, LED finish. The black roof lining looks amazing, especially for sports cars. This mimics that, but the exclusion of a sunroof, a panoramic sunroof, is just almost a deal breaker for me. I think that could have been, the party trick to really sweeten the deal. Anyway, this being an Opel, you get a very familiar steering wheel from Opel with manual controls, which are really great to click. The quality, the feel is amazing. Moving over to your side to the stock, you do get electronic. What do you call this? In electronic for your windscreen, man. All those things. Basically, you do get to operate your parking lights over there. Light level adjustments are done on this end, fog lights, and so forth, all housed on this end. Now there is a nice speaker cutout, which yeah, adds on to the flavor of the car, I guess. Yeah, I still maintain a solid 8 out of 10 in terms of the feel. Though I must agree it is a bit dated when it comes to the functionality. But anyway, let's quickly step into the rear of the car. Rear section of the car, the top is still quite good to feel and hold, but the suede material that was once over there has been removed. It's now plastic, and this part is also hard to the touch. Yeah, a decent enough space there for a bottle or cup or can, whatever the case may be. Uh, Leg room is also okay. It looks to be on the slimmer side of things, but I am not really gonna complain for this car in this market. The seats still look amazing. They still feel really good. You do get isofix mounting or anchor points as well. Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the suede. Nice, nice, nice. Can't really operate that because it's not really coming on for now. On this end, there is no center armrest, which is a bit disappointing for me. And just once again, to access your anchor points, you need to unzip this part, which is, a bit iffy and tricky to use, but nothing to really complain about. Once again, space, materials, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Now I just want to demonstrate by stepping in. So this is like my knee room, and I think I'm fairly comfortable in here. I'm not really gonna. It's nothing to really cry home about. It's fair. It's fair. Let's be honest. And then yeah, this is it in terms of the overview of the car. Yeah, what are your thoughts so far? Is it a yay, nay, hit, miss? Honestly, if I am to say something, I think this is a great car. It's a great product. Compared to the competition, this is something enticing. It's something different. It's a fresh, yeah, it's a breeze of fresh air. What do you also get? Let's look into pricing quickly. It's priced at like 380,000 for the entry level 1.2 liter engine option, and then it goes up to the top of the range GS or GSI, I think. That's priced at 460,000, which is a crazy amount of money for this sort of car. It really is a crazy amount of money. I am not too sure if that really will, attract buyers to a degree. But with this sort of car, it's not bad. It's not bad. Now, what do you get with the entry level one? The Corsa Light 1.2 liter turbocharged engine. You do get 16-inch alloy rims, daytime running lights, hill start assist, park assist, lane assist, 10-inch infotainment screen, and so forth. So this is priced at 374,000 rand, 900 rands. And then when you quickly move over to the top of the range, Corsa GS, not GSI, then that's where you get the dual tone roof, the heated front seats, your electronic cruise control, park assist, driver drowsiness alert, and so forth. So tech wise, spec wise, it is quite decent, it is quite fair. But pricing, I don't really agree with it. And yeah, that's my verdict. So I think if you really want this car, it would be a great car. People who've driven the car can only rave about how good it drives. And the power outputs, you're looking at 96 kilowatts, or in fact, up to 9, because it's between 74 kilowatts and up to 96, depending on the model that you chose. So that three model variants on offer. So yeah, I think this will be good enough for the preview. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you on the next one.